I got another package. This time it's from Temu. So yeah, we gonna open this, but I'm gonna wait for Rasha because they just went out to get some ices and he wanna unpack it with me, with y'all. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. And like I said, make sure y'all go check out my YouTube channel at the Asia P channel or Asia P channel, and y'all gonna see me pop up. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, check out the videos that's already there. You know, cause your girl trying to get her subscribers up. So yeah, y'all go support that, and we'll be back. Alright y'all, so Rasha is back. If y'all haven't already, go check out our icy video that we just posted a couple of seconds ago. And look who's on the package. So we about to open up this package, y'all. So give us a second.
Okay.
Alright y'all, so I ordered this package from Temu like 4 or 5 days ago, maybe. I don't know. But it's here. And yeah, we're gonna open it. Can you give me a scissor or something? Oh. Thank you. Ooh, I just cut the box. I felt it. Okay. No scissors. So this is my rug and my shower curtain for the bathroom. We got a new one. Yeah, wow. Puka, you in front of the camera.
You like boxes, we all know that.
Be careful. Oh, wow. You helping me? Thank you. Okay, so this is the mat. Oh, actually.
Oh, you got 2. I mean 3.
I like the color. I thought it was a little lighter than this, but and my bathroom is kind of like this little color here, so yeah. Let me see. Boo, please. This is the curtain. I'm gonna open it for y'all, but not, you know. This is the curtain. Buka.
He's trying to take the box.
My curtain. Leave it. Leave it.
Want me to get it?
I got it. Okay. And this, y'all, this is what I've really been feeding. So this is a folding washing machine.
Oh, that's so cool.
And I only paid like $3 for it.
Want me to put the scissors back?
No, because I need it. This is the folding washing machine. And then before I open this, let me show y'all my case. I just feel like this case is so freaking cute. Ah! Isn't it so cute?
Is it a beef?
It's a piece of steak.
Oh.
Ah! But y'all, I got a portable washer. I'm so hyped. Where's the scissors? So now
You don't have to go downstairs.
no, I do have to still go downstairs because this is only for like socks and underwears and stuff. You just want the box. You don't care for nothing else. Buka, no sir. Y'all. Stop it, boy. Stop.
Play with your box when you get it out.
Okay, here, take the box. Bye. Oh. I know. Look, y'all, that's all you really wanted. Say hi. Okay, so I think I broke it already.
How?
I don't know. I said I think. I don't even. Let me find the instructions. I'll be back. All right, TikTok. So I didn't even really need the instructions. You push it out like this, right? And then you put your little thingy thing, whatever this is, on it. I think on the top. And you put your clothes in there. You close this up like that. Then it's the, I believe, the top.
Yeah, yeah. Ow, ow.
And it got little things.
You broke the box already.
Portable washing machine, y'all. And it sucks to the floor. It got little suction holes. So y'all go get y'all one of these, because I'm definitely gonna be using mine.
It's only $3.
It was $3.19 that I paid for it. So y'all go check it out on Temu. And I'm gonna be ordering some more stuff, so y'all stay tuned to that. This video is definitely going on my YouTube too, so make sure y'all go check that out. And follow us on TikTok and follow us on YouTube. And we are out.
Like this.
Y'all, so I just noticed I didn't like fully show y'all the inside of it either, so I'm gonna flip it and show it to y'all. This is the inside of it. It's mad tiny, but yep, this is it, y'all. And it got a little holes where you could drain the water out right here. Yep, y'all go get y'all one. Y'all, so I got a washing machine from Temu, right? And it's really washing. Yo. Y'all, so it stopped. Great. It's mad soapy still. But it definitely washed the fuck out of these socks. Y'all should have saw what they looked like before. But, yo, it did a good ass job too. Go get y'all one. What's up, TikTok? So it's your girl Asia P, as most of y'all may know, but some of y'all might not know. I do YouTube, and I'm trying to get my subscribers up. As y'all can see, I am currently at 361 subscribers, and I'm trying to reach 500 so I can get my channel monetized. And I feel like y'all can help me with that. So I need y'all to go check out the Asia P channel on YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe, you know, share, tell a friend and tell a friend. I'm trying to make this a second source of income for me and my kids, so like we can go out, and I honestly really just want to move and have better for my kids. So I think me sharing my stories and stuff like that on my YouTube channel could help other people as well. But I need y'all to help me get my subscribers up. So go check out my channel. Tell me what y'all like. Tell me what y'all want me to post. And yeah, I'll keep that in mind. Thank you to everybody that's following me on here. Shout out to all my followers that's on YouTube. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. Go check it out. Tell me what y'all want to see. And me and my boys will drop it for y'all. Me and Rasha actually got some videos that we want to do for y'all that's coming soon. So go check out that channel, y'all.